Pakistan, a land of immense beauty and stark contrasts. A country that often finds itself shrouded in misconception, frequently making headlines for all the wrong reasons, yet pulsates with a vibrant energy all its own. The streets of Karachi and Lahore are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, where the old meets the new in a fascinating dance. It's a land where ancient traditions intertwine with modern aspirations, where the past and the future coexist in a delicate balance, where towering mountains cast long shadows over bustling cities, creating a landscape that is as diverse as it is breathtaking, and where the aroma of spices hangs heavy in the air, drawing you into the vibrant markets and street food stalls that are the heart of Pakistani cuisine, beckoning you to explore its hidden depths, from the narrow alleys of ancient cities to the bustling marketplaces that hide countless stories. I've been lucky enough to travel to some far-flung corners of the world, experiencing cultures and cuisines that are vastly different from my own, tasting exotic dishes and witnessing cultural festivals that celebrate the rich tapestry of human life. But there's something about Pakistan that stays with you. It's a country that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. It's a country that defies easy categorization, where the urban and the rural, the traditional and the modern, exist side by side in a harmonious blend. A place where contradictions coexist, creating a unique and captivating mosaic of experiences, and where the warmth of the people will melt even the most cynical of hearts. The hospitality here is legendary, making every visitor feel like a part of the family. So forget what you think you know, challenge your preconceptions and open your heart to new experiences. Open your mind and prepare to be surprised. The journey through Pakistan is one of discovery and wonder. Join me as we journey through the heart of Pakistan, uncovering its hidden gems and experiencing the true essence of this captivating nation. From its majestic landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, Pakistan is a land of endless surprises and unforgettable experiences. Karachi, a frenetic metropolis on the Arabian Sea, throbs with a chaotic energy. This city, with its towering skyscrapers and sprawling neighborhoods, is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. The streets are alive with the sounds of daily life, from the early morning call to prayer to the late-night chatter of street vendors. Rickshaws weave through traffic, their horns blaring a discordant symphony. The drivers, with their expert maneuvering, navigate the labyrinthine streets with a skill that seems almost instinctual. It's a dance of metal and noise, a testament to the city's relentless pace. Street vendors hawk their wares, their voices competing with the call to prayer echoing from minarets. The markets are a sensory overload with the scent of spices, the vibrant colors of textiles, and the cacophony of bargaining. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where the old ways are still very much alive. But amidst the chaos, there's a palpable sense of community, a shared understanding that life is meant to be lived to the fullest. Neighbors look out for one another, and there's a spirit of resilience that permeates the air. It's a city that never sleeps, but always dreams. Venture beyond the urban sprawl, and you'll encounter a different pace of life. The transition from the bustling city to the serene countryside is almost surreal. The noise fades away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant call of birds. In the fertile plains of Punjab, farmers tend to their land, their movements slow and deliberate. The fields stretch out in a patchwork of green and gold, a testament to the region's agricultural heritage. Here, life is dictated by the seasons, and there's a deep connection to the earth. Time seems to stand still in the shadow of the Karakoram Mountains, where life revolves around the rhythms of nature. The towering peaks with their snow-capped summits are a constant reminder of the majesty of the natural world. Villagers live in harmony with their surroundings, their lives intertwined with the land. Whether you're navigating the crowded streets of Lahore, with its rich history and vibrant culture, or exploring its ancient bazaars, there's a sense of timelessness. The city is a living museum, where every corner has a story to tell, or sipping chai with nomads in the Cholistan desert, where the vast expanse of sand stretches out to the horizon. The desert, with its stark beauty, is a place of solitude and reflection. The nomads, with their simple way of life, offer a glimpse into a world that is both harsh and beautiful. You'll be struck by the resilience and hospitality of the Pakistani people. Their warmth and generosity are evident in every interaction, whether in the heart of the city or the remotest village. It's a country where guests are treated like family and every meal is a celebration. They've faced their share of challenges, but their spirit remains unbroken. The faces you see tell stories of perseverance and hope, of a people who have weathered storms and emerged stronger. It's a testament to the enduring human spirit, a reminder that no matter the hardships, there is always hope. Pakistan's cultural tapestry is as rich and varied as its geography. Centuries-old traditions are passed down through generations, shaping the country's identity and influencing everyday life. From the intricate henna designs adorning women's hands to the vibrant colors of traditional clothing, every detail tells a story. Music and dance are integral parts of Pakistani culture, with each region boasting its own unique styles. The soulful melodies of Qawwali music, a form of Sufi devotional singing, can transport you to a state of spiritual ecstasy. The energetic Bhangra dance, originating in the Punjab region, is a celebration of life and harvest. One of the most endearing aspects of Pakistani culture is the importance placed on hospitality. Guests are treated with utmost respect and generosity, and a meal in a Pakistani home is an experience not to be missed. Buckle up, folks, because a culinary adventure awaits you in Pakistan. Forget bland and boring. Pakistani food is a symphony of flavors, a riot of colors, and a testament to the country's diverse cultural influences. From the smoky aromas of barbecued meats to the rich, creamy curries, every bite is an explosion of taste. It's not for the faint of heart, mind you. This is food that packs a punch, with liberal use of chilies, spices, and herbs. But don't let the heat scare you away. The beauty of Pakistani cuisine lies in its balance. The fiery kick of chilies is tempered by cooling yogurt, the richness of meat dishes offset by fragrant rice and freshly baked naan bread. The sacred bond, unveiling the beauty of Pakistani weddings. Pakistani weddings are legendary, known for their grandeur and vibrant celebrations that span several days. Forget your quiet courthouse ceremonies and intimate gatherings. Pakistani weddings are a spectacle, a grand affair that brings together not just two individuals but entire families and communities. We're talking multi-day extravaganzas, a riot of color, music, and dancing. Each day is filled with different events, each more vibrant and joyous than the last. It's a celebration of family and tradition, a time for communities to come together and rejoice. The sense of unity and togetherness is palpable as everyone joins in the festivities. Now, the traditions and customs can vary depending on the region and the family's background. From the northern mountains to the southern plains, each area has its unique way of celebrating. But one thing's for sure, there's a beauty and symbolism woven into every aspect of the ceremony. Every decoration, every ritual, every gesture holds a deeper meaning. From the Mehndi ceremony, where the bride's hands and feet are adorned with intricate henna designs, symbolizing joy and beauty, to the Barat, the groom's procession to the wedding venue, which is a grand and festive parade filled with music and dancing, every ritual holds deep cultural significance. These traditions have been passed down through generations, each carrying the weight of history and heritage. It's not just about the pomp and ceremony, though. Beyond the lavish decorations and elaborate events, at the heart of it, a Pakistani wedding is about the union of two families. It's a time when families come together, forging new bonds and strengthening old ones, a celebration of love and commitment. It's a beautiful reminder that amidst all the grandeur, the true essence of a wedding lies in the love and commitment shared by the couple and their families. Traveling is about more than just ticking off destinations on a bucket list. It's about opening yourself up to new experiences, challenging your preconceived notions, and embracing the beauty of diversity. Pakistan, with its unique blend of tradition and modernity, offers a profound lesson in cultural understanding. It's a country that challenges stereotypes and forces you to confront your own biases. Take the time to learn a few basic Urdu phrases. It goes a long way. Show respect for local customs and traditions, even if they differ from your own. Engage in meaningful conversations with locals, listen to their stories, and try to see the world through their eyes. Let me tell you something. Pakistanis are some of the most hospitable people you'll ever meet. Forget awkward small talk and forced smiles. Here, you're welcomed with open arms and genuine warmth. It doesn't matter if you're a stranger or a friend of a friend. You'll be treated like family. Invited into homes, plied with endless cups of chai, and showered with food until you can't eat another bite. It's this genuine hospitality, this generosity of spirit that makes Pakistan such a special place. It's a country where strangers become friends and where you're always welcomed with a smile. Look, everyone knows about the majestic Mughal architecture of Lahore, the breathtaking landscapes of Hunza Valley, and the historical significance of Mohenjo-Daro, and yeah, they're all must-sees for a reason, but venture off the beaten track, and you'll discover a whole other side to Pakistan. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of Peshawar's old city, a treasure trove of ancient bazaars and hidden mosques. Hike through the stunning fairy meadows in the shadow of Nanga Parbat, one of the world's highest mountains. Discover the haunting beauty of the Kadas Raj temples, an ancient Hindu pilgrimage site. Explore the ruins of Taxila, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the Gandhara civilization. Pakistan, my friends, is a country that stays with you. It's a sensory overload, a cultural kaleidoscope, and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It's a place where ancient traditions collide with modern aspirations, where breathtaking landscapes meet bustling cities, and where the warmth of the people will melt even the most cynical of hearts. So, go on, take a chance, embrace the chaos, savor the flavors, and discover the magic that is Pakistan.